Hi, you guys. In today's lesson, we'll learn how to disable startup programs, processes, and services in Windows 10. And all of these tasks will be done in our Task Manager. So let's get started. From our desktop screen, we'll go all the way down to the bottom where our taskbar is and right-click on an empty spot on our taskbar with our mouse. Select Task Manager, and this brings up our current running task. We see our apps that are running in the background here, our background processes, and also towards the bottom, we can also see the Windows processes that are currently running. This area under the Process tab is good for if one of your programs has frozen up on you, say our VLC media player. If we want to end that program or end that task, we simply select it and go to the bottom right-hand corner of the screen and click on End Task and end that task. Beside the Processes tab is the Performance tab, which shows your CPU utilization. It also shows how much memory we have available and how much is currently in use by the programs we're running. Also, the disk percentage as well is here, the capacity of the drive. I have a 239 gigabyte SSD drive. It shows your Wi-Fi performance as well. We can see our application history. And also here, our Startup tab, which is a great tab to use. This shows the programs that automatically run in the background when you're starting up your computer. So if it takes a while to get to your desktop, it's probably because these programs here are trying to run as soon as you get to your desktop. So if it loads slow or it takes about 5 minutes before you can do any work, it's because these are attempting to start themselves. So some of these I know that I don't need. If you don't know what they stand for, either leave them there or maybe Google their startup name to see if you need their program running all the time. My Adobe CS6 Service Manager, I don't need to have that running all the time, so I'll disable that at the bottom right-hand corner of my screen. Another thing here is my Sophos Endpoint Security, which is my antivirus. I do want that program running at all times because I want to stay secure and protected, so I'll leave that enabled. My iTunes helper, I only use iTunes from time to time, so that'll be another one that I can disable. The less items we have here, the quicker our startup time will be to reach our desktop. This tab here is also to see your users. You have a details and also more services here that you're able to stop and start. And we'll close our Task Manager. Now, that was a quick tutorial on how to disable your startup programs, processes, and services in Windows 10 Task Manager. Thanks for your time. Again, this is Clea from Dare to Care Computers. See you soon.